we are going to discuss about that article analysis for interview. के लिए the Indian Express. Pregnant woman gives birth on the tollway and the risk show in the Odisha. However, her condition and wards need around the 2 kilometers from the Sandkud and other retired nurses and the Prem Latas and Varik was called to facilitate the delivery in the New Bazaar areas of the Pradeep. Paradip in aid the another instance of the ambulance and features and the ambulance feature and the extensions and mothers and from the Putkona in the Kendrapara districts and give birth to the baby on other Tole. Tole risk show here in the woo and hovers of the monkey and 3 years old and the Salamon Khatum and temporary the riding in the paradise and the Sandkud and experiences a labor pain at the around 3 a.m. and her husband the Sharafat Khan frantically and tired calling and the ambulance and but it ended the LAGT and did not the reach on times and the family had to the then and the transport Khatun to the Atharbanki hospitals and on either trolley and rickshaw and however and her condition worsened and around the 2 kilometers from the Sandkud and either tired nurses and the Prem Lata Varik and was called to the facilitate the delivery at the New Bazaar areas of the paradise and the mothers and her the newborn and were later the admitted and to the Atharbanki and hospitals and terminating the accident as the unfortunate and the paradise municipalities and the councillors and Jagannath Rao letters. Rao later and called and the ambulances and from the Paradise Port and Hospital to take the due to the local hospitals and follow the New Indians Express channel on WhatsApp. Paradise in eight and another instance of the ambulances feature and the expenses mothers from the Putkoras and in the Kendrapara districts and gave birth to the baby on a trolley rickshaw and here in the who be hours on the Monday and 30 years old Salamuns Khatuns and temporarily and residing in the Paradise and the Sant Kush and experience in labor pain at the round 3 a.m. and her husband Sharafat Khan frantically and tired calling and the ambulance but it the allegedly and did not reach on times. The family had to then and the transport and Khatum to the Adhar Waki and hospitals on other trolley rickshaw and however her condition worsened and around 2 kilometers from the Sandkush and other retired nurses Prem Latas and Varik was called to facilitate the delivery and the New Bazaar areas of Paradise and the mothers and her newborn were later the admitted into the Atharbanki and hospitals and Google text terming the incident as the unfortunate Paradise municipalities and councils. Jagannath Rao later called and the ambulance for the Paradise ports and hospitals to take the due to the local hospitals follow the New Indian Bengaluru CEO killed 4-year-old carries body in bag. A 13-year-old CEO of the Bengaluru based at the startup and was arrested while the allegedly and feelings in other taxi after killing her 4-year-old son and tuffling the body in other bag. The accused had been identified as the Sushna said and has been arrested by the Karnataka police from the Chitradurga and said along with the victims had checked into the hotel on the January 6 in the North Goa and Securies, where she is the said and to have the committed the murders. And the incident come to the light after the hotel and staffers and while the cleanings the room said checked in found the blood and stain in the bed sheet and the alertness the hotel management, upon which Goa police and alternate and the set was the detained at the Amangala and police station in Karnataka Chitradurga district a police team. According to the police and said killed her the sons using other sharp weapons and after the committing the act and asked the hotel management and to arrange it for other taxi and to travels back to the Bengaluru installing and that see the wanted to travels by road and CCTV footage examined by the police revealed and she had checked out of the hotel alone. However, the motive of the murder is yet to be the ascertained. Follow the new. A 13-year-old CEO of the Bengaluru based at the settle and arrested the while LAJC. Feeling in other taxi and after the killing her the 4-year-old son and the stuffing the bodies in other bag. Accused has been identified as the Suchna and said and has been arrested and by other Karnataka police. Sat along with the victims and had the checked into the hotel on the January 6 in the North Goa and the Securism and where she is said and to have the committed the murders and Google Tech and the incident and come to the light after other hotel staffers and while cleaning the room and sat checked in the found and blood stained and in the bed sheet and the alternate the hotel management and upon which Goa police and alternate and said was the detained is the Amangala police station in the Karnataka and Chitradurga and districts other police team according to the police and said killed her the sons and using other sharp weapons and after the committing the act and asked the hotel management and to arrange for a taxi to travels back to the Bengaluru's and instant that she wanted to the travels and by road. CCTV footage examined by the police and revealed and she had checked out of the hotel alone the however the motives of the murders and is yet to be the ascertained and follow the temple. 3 decades and allows the boy of the silence of the Jharkhand woman and to end the after the inauguration of Ram temple. Saraswati Devi started her vow on the day and the Babri Masjid and was the demolished and in the 1992 promisings and to break it and only when the Ram temples was the inaugurated her family claimed. And Dhanvad and the 85 years old woman from the Jharkhand will break her the 3 decades and long the Moon Vrat and vow of the silence after her dreams and comes true on the January 2020 and with the inaugurated of the Ram temple in Ayodhya. And Saraswati Devi started her vow on the day and the Babri Masjid was the demolished in the 1992 and promising to break it only when the Ram temple was inaugurated her family claimed and the Dhanvad resident left for the temples and town in the Uttar Pradesh and aboard other train on the Monday and night to the witness the inaugurated on the temple and Devi the popularly known and as the Moni Mata in the Ayodhyas and used to the communicated and with family members and through the sign languages and but wrote and down the complicated and sentence. Through she took other break and from the Moon Bharat and the Spoon 4 other hours and ate the noon every day until the 2020. She want completely silence the day and the foundation for the temple was laid by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The day Babri Masjid was the demolished and on the December 6, 1992 and my mothers took other vow too. observed the silence till the Ram Mandir was constructed in Ayodhya. She has been the jubilant ever since the date of the consecrations of the temple was the announced, and 55-year-old hair Ram Agrawal Devi and youngest child told PTI she left for Ayodhya's on Monday and night the aboard the Ganga Satluj and Express from the Dhanbad railways station. She will the break her the silence on the January 2020 her. Here Ram, other resident of the Bobra in the Bagmara block said. Alone Reed and pregnant woman in Patna pushing the deliveries date to the Ram temple consecrations. He said Devi has been invited by the discipline of the Mahant Nitriya Gopal Das and to participated in the Ram temple inaugurated event. A mother of the 8th child, including 4 daughters, and Devi the devoted her the life to the Lord Ram after the death of her the husband and Devki Nandan Agrawal in 1986, and the spending most of the her times in the pilgrims and families members said Devi is the current living with her the second eldest and the son and Nandlal the Agrawal and the officials with the Bharat Cookings Co Limited and BCCL and arms of the Coal India's aid the Daya in the Dhanbad, and the Nandlal wife Inu Agrawal and 53 said that the few months after her the marriage, and she say her mothers-in-law the embracings and the bow of the silence in devotions to the Lord Ram, and mostly we understood her the sign and language, but she used to write down the complicated and sentence on other piece of the paper. Inu Agrawal and said, after the demolitions of the Babri Masjid, my the mothers and in-laws visited the Ayodhya and take the pledge of Moon Bharat until Ram Mandir and was the constructed. She used to the remain silence for the 23 hours a day, taking in the hours long break only in the noon the rest of the time, and she the communicated and with is the through pen and the paper. She said however when the foundation of the Ram Mandir was laid in 2020 by the PM Modi, and she want for other 24 hours Moon Bharat and the plus to speak only after the temple was inaugurated. Innu said in 2001 Devi did the tapasya and the penance for 7 months in the Chitrakoot in the Madhya Pradesh, and where Lord Ram is believed to have spent a major part of his exile. Inu claimed and the Basides, and she also went on the pilgrimages and the across the country, and the she said according to the Anu Agrawal and her the mother-in-law and Max up around 4 a.m. and every mornings and undertakes the sadhana meditations for around 6 to the 7 hours in the morning. She studies religious books such as the Ramayanas and Bhagavad Gitas, and in the evening after the Sandhya's Aarti, and she said Devi eats food only once a day and the consumes a glass of the milk and in the morning and evenings, and she maintains other vegetarians diet and consisting of the rice and pulse and rotis. Dhanbad, and the 85 years old woman from the Jharkhand and will break her the 3 and decades long the Moon Bharat and the boy of the silence, and after her the dreams and comes true on the January 2020 with the inaugurations of the Ram temples in Ayodhya, and Saraswati Devi started her the bow on the day, and Babri Masjid was demolished and in the 1992, and Domi sings and to break its only when the Ram temples and was inaugurated. Her family and claimed the Dhanbad residence and left for the temples town in the Uttar Pradesh aboard other train on Monday night to the witness the inaugurations of the temple popularly and known as the Moni Matas in the Ayodhya, and used to the communicate and with family members through sign language, and but the wrote and down and complicated and sentence through she took the break and from the Moon Bharat and the spoke for and the hours at noon every day till 2020, and she want the completely silence the day the foundations for the temples was laid and by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The day Babri Masjid was the demolished, and on the December 6, 1992, my mother took other view to observe silence till the Ram Mandir and was the constructed in Ayodhya, and she has been the jubilated ever the since the date of the consecrations of the temple was announced and 55 years old and reared the Ram Agrawal. Devi youngest child and the told PTI, and she left for the Ayodhya on Monday and the night and aboard the Ganga Satluj and the express from the Dhanbad railway stations. She will break and her the silence on the January 2020 and her Ram is the residence of the Bobra in the Bagmara blocks, and shed also the reed and the pregnant woman in Patna, pushing delivery dates to the Ram temples. And consecrations day, he said Devi has been invited by the discipline of the Mahant and Nritya Gopal and Das and to the participated in the Ram temples inaugurated event. A mother of the eighth and children, and including four the daughters, and Devi the devoted and her life to the Lord Ram after the death of her husband and the Dev Nandan Agrawal, and in the 1986 spending most of her times in the pilgrimage. And family members said, and Devi is the currently living with her second and the eldest son Nand Lal Agrawal. An official and with the Bharat Cookings and Coal Limited and BCCL and arms of the Coal India. It the Deya in the Dhanbad. And Nandlal wives and Innu Agrawal and 53 and said that other few months after her the marriage, and she say her month in the low and the embracings are the bow of the silence in the devotions to Lord Ram. Mostly we understand and her sign languages. But she used to the write and down the complicated and sentence on other piece of paper, and Inu the Agarwal said, and after the demolitions of the Babri Masjid by mothers in the law and visited the Ayodhya and took other pledge of the moon breath until Ram Mandirs and was the constructed, she used to the remain the silence for the 23 hours a day, and taking the hours long the break on only 8 the noon and the rest of the times, and she the communicated and with the us and the Throgan pen and the papers, and she did the however when the foundation of the Ram Mandirs was laid in the 2020 and by the PM Modi. She want for other 24 hours the moon breath and the plugs to speak only after the temple was the inaugurated. Inu said in the 2001, and Devi did the tapasya and the penance for the 7 month at the Chitrakoot in Madhya Pradesh, and where Lord Ram is the believed and to the have spent the major part of his the exiles, and Inu claimed, and besides the sea also went to the pilgrims and across the country, and she said according to the Inu Agrawal and her the mothers-in-laws and wakes up around 4 a.m. and every the morning and undertakes and sadhana meditations for the around and 6 to the 7 hours and in the morning, and she study the religions books such as the Ramayanas and Bhagavad Gitas, and in the environment in evening after Sandhyas and Aarti, and she said Devi eats food only once a day and the consumes a glass of milk in the morning and evening. She maintains the vegetarian's diet and consists of rice and pulse and roti, and follow the we know that what other stake and can't fail on the alliance. Senior Congress leaders and former Union Minister Salman Khurshid takes the question on the variety of the issues and including the India and blog in the 11th edition of the Delhi Dialogues. Salman Khurshid and is other senior advocate in the Supreme Court and the eminent and authors and law teachers, and he the replied to the range of the question and beginnings and with the oppositions and India's alliances and seed the sharing talks to the India's and foreign ministry. Foreign policy and recent law the passed and by the parliament and the exert and Shahid the Faridi and the general's elections and are found the corners. The prime minister is hoping to the scores other hat tricks. The oppositions and India's blog engaged in seat and sharings the talks on whether the oppositions will be able to the mount other challenges dependent on other successful seat sharing the past. Among the oppositions parties, and you are the part of the Congress committee and for the alliances, how are the talk going? I have some views and about the what we are the trying to the deal and with as far as we are concerned, and we have other very specific concern and mandated. It is only about the ensuring and that the seats and sharings is done and quickly and in other manner and that leaps and as with the greater sense of friendships, and then what we began and with, and we have taken the feedback from the some of the state labels and leaders in one or two state things are other bit and the complicated as the discussions and process in other day to come, and when we have be hell will we will have and the ideas of extensions of the agreemented and the stickings the points, and we all then go back to the party and leaderships on the how we the should proceed further. We are all in the learning process. I hope our the alliances partners and two are doing the same. Some of some of them have more experiences in forming alliances than we have to be the careful and that we don't appears and the novice and but at the same times and we don't appears to be the two and rigid, and we are the flexibles and eight we are not and the pushovers in 4 5 and the days, and we will now and I guys and how through this task is the how and livable and it is the Santvanas and the Bhattacharya Satvanas and Bhattacharya, when it's come to the alliances making, it is not just about the seat that the have and that the you have to the adjust and with ours the alliances partners, and it is also about and how you manage the egos and the concern of your state leaderships, and we are on other something and more the significant and then and the election, and this is the first time either non-congress PMs is seeking other third tenor, and if he the wins and it will brings and him in the Nehru legacy, and then there is other temple and which is getting built in your Avans state and with response across the country, and you are through and about the state leadership. It is not ego and it is and the ideological positions, and they take despite and that they have been the extremely corporatives and harmful. We do have leaders in every the state and who have the strong opinions. Preetha Nair and the Congress leaderships and has been invited to the Ayodhya's consecrations and members should consecration ceremonies and being other senior parties leader, and do you think and yours the colleagues and others the parties members and should attend it as far as the attending is the concern, and if pupils have the astha and faith, it will tell and them and what to do and when to do. Even Shiv Senas had numbers. How yours and says and no, and it is theirs the astha and Ram temple and will note the cheese and to the Ram temple the days after the PM Modi and return and it will the still and be the Ram temples and the somebodies and who has the asthas and goes what wrongs. Let people go and what don't the distilled and to them and don't write other script and that you must come and between the 10 से लेकर के 11 on the January 2020. I mean nobody and even the tell you when I go you went to go to a temples. I have not invited and for the events and but I have been and there before long before Mr. Modi. I was there where there when 3 was the nothings and but other tent and Pritha. Layers is there and the ideologicals and the ambiguity in the party and we show it the during the Madhya Pradesh and elections. Congress workers and the ideology may vary from the times to time and because of theirs the one personal experience and but wherever and we get other chance to share and whatever the ideology is what we the broadly and describe as the Nehruvians and ideology and we do that and but pupils want to write and there on the screenplay and show between the ideology and the pragmatism. There can be the confusions and sometimes Shahid Faridi, you have been the law ministers and the government has passed a lot of the laws and very the important legislations in the absence of the oppositions and how do you think view it if you want to introduce and tough laws and specifically in the hit and run cases and for the instance and if you it and the receiving end of it and you feel so hopeless and if it is the hug and but the bus accident and the public threats and to the launch the drivers and he doesn't and have other chance to the prove the instances and there is other problem and which is why the pupils and run away and how when laws and are made you do research and you brings in data and when you the analysis it and then you discuss it is the politically and then you make other laws and Jitendra Chobe the UPI and had the started smuggling some such links. The voice of the civil society and this the government is talking the forward and now there is other kind of the silence and from the civil society that they are not able to the questions the grammar the government and I am not going to the watch and for the however and we did other being and 100% correct and if the somebody and has the issues 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 about what we did and they should the discuss it with us and she we will tell you where and you have gone wrong and why and you have gone wrongs and every law and can be the message and now the simply and because other law is going to be the misused and you stop making beneficiaries or law doesn't make sense in other democracy and now the issues of time what and we did the purpose for the what we did it was the because and democracy and has and the extra element of civil society and which is not the directly linked and with any the political parties. Essentially, India has been the globally visible because of the G20 and other the event and what are your views? I admires and my the successors and my many times and he is bright person and I the admires and what he has been and able to do and I don't know whether and I could have done the same and to have the groans and up the within other system and within other through and process and then so the fluently able to the defy and it is the subsequences and years and if he had never been and made the ambassadors and to the top and countries if he had even never been and celebrated. And he felt that he was other victims of the Nehruvian systems, then I would have understood, but I don't think you can. And find anybody in the foreign services and you would say that of all, the pupils and Dr. is the Sankaran. India existence and when we had nothing and we were the healings. The NAM and non-alliancing movement and the Afro-Asian gatherings and we were the shot after the everything everywhere and other lot of that and come from the fact and that we are the nuclear power and why because the Nehru Indira and connected the provided the base for beings the nuclear power and the Narasimha Rao reached the dur steps and of being the nuclear power, but yes, it comes during the BJP government, but he sang Jai Shankaran and doesn't even give credit and to the BJP's government for having the turned us the nuclears and then he doesn't give us credit for the remarkables and negotiations and he did the US and to brings the 123 agreement established other legacy blindings fundings and frameworks for the peaceful nuclear cooperation, and we are not being told in any of those books as to how and much land China's and has come and the grade now through. Suchitra Mohanty, you are happy with the present systems of the code and judgment and that have been the pronounced and the post and the retirement posting of judges. My instinct and tell me, and thus are not my the instinct alone, and thus are the instinct of the Supreme Court judges and who have never expected my the assessment after retirement from the top court. My instinct and tell me that the Supreme Court and judgeship and is such other high pinnacles and that after that nothing comes and anywhere and in near it. Near accepted any the assessment after the retirement from the top court. My instinct and tell me the Supreme Court judges is such as the high pinnacles. Suchitra Mohanty. Judges appointed and the join and judges appointed. Suchitra Mohanty, judges appointed and has been and criticism as do you think and that the collegian system and should be there or it should be the replaced and politician will appointed politicians and this is the big and Indian problems and this is not the problem of the judges and journalist appointed the journalist and but you are the considered and the best you are the considered the best and because you now and the you now and what journalist required. K Tan and Tannas and what yours the take on West Asia's and see India's is not the reachings out. And when India reach and out to the one and the against the others and hope already lost your the ability to the intervene and look at what the UN Secretary General says and he is no the friends of the Hamas right and but what he the says and is other points of views and that is the available to India. PM friends of Hamas PM's Modi has the developed and relationships and which he intilted and to what then you don't have the high morals grounds and from which you can the preach and we couldn't and do it and for the various reasons in the Ukraine We have not and done it the for various reasons with Palestine and their force, and we adopted an ourselves. And out of that, and it may not be the 100% an Indian faulted, but the frankly. And we forgot sent the Gajas for the 20 years, and now they put Gaza right on the map. And yes, Shelly, and what are yours the views and about the India ignoring and Western sections, and to why Russia's oil and see the cheap oils and that be the rot, and from the Russia had other contact and that the Europeans wears the imposing sections and but not wears it is the affected them, and now if we accepted the sanctions, Wines oil does the affected us and that are one things, and secondly and we have the historical relationship and with Russia. I think we don't have such other strong relationship and with the Ukraine Russia and has drifted other bit and from the time to time. It is drift and to the Pakistan it is drifted and again the towards Pakistan, and but I think and if we are the trying to the repair our relationship and with Russia's, and then I it was the inevitable and that we had to continue buying stuff from them because they needed money. Santwana and the Bhattacharya's is India's bloc the trying to get the Mayavatis and into its the fault. I have myself spoken to her and she is the known and committals and aid the movement and however we are the hopefuls and to get her on ours the site closers and to the elections and ours the doors are open. Prabhu Chawla's the BJP and has got and Nara's the slogans and as well as the Neta leaders, and PM Modi is the leaders and the Modi ki guarantees is other slogans, and what do you have? मेरे पास माँ है laugh. Salman Khurshid and is other serious advocate is the Supreme Court and eminent author and is the law teachers. He replied to other range of the questions and beginnings with the opposition's India's alliance seat sharing stocks to the India's and foreign policy and the recent laws passed by the parliament except and Shahid Faridin. General elections are round the corners and Prime Minister is hoping to the scores other heartbreaks. मेरी स्वेटर पहन के मत जाइयो तो मैंने मेरी हवाई धोके डाली है रखवे के लिए धोई थी आप हाँ whether the opposition will be able to the mount other challenges dependent on other successful sheet and sharing the pact and among the oppositions parties, and who you are the part of the Congress committees and for the alliance, and how are the talks and goings, and I have some views and about and but we are trying to the deals and with as far as and be the we are the concern and we have other very significant confident and the mandates it is only about the ensuring and that the sheet sharing is done quickly and in the manners and that the leaps as with other greater sense of leadership. Then what we begins and with we have taken feedbacks and from the sum of our state and level and leaders and in one or the two state and thinking are other bit and the complicated as the discussions and proceed in other day into the come, and we will have and the ideas of the extent and of the agreement and the sticking point, and we will then go back to the parties and leaderships and on the how we should the proceed and further, and we are or in other learning process, and I hope our the alliances and partners and took two are doing the same, and some of them have more and the experiences in the forming alliances, and then we have to be the careful and that we don't appear and novice and but at the same times and we don't the appears and to be the two and rigid and we are the flexibles. flexible and 8 and we are not and the pushovers and in the 4 5 days and we will now and I guess how tough and this task and is how and the behavioral it is the Google tech Santvanas and Bhattacharyas and when it's come to the alliances making it is not and just about seats and that you have to the adjust and with you are the alliance partners and it is also the about and how you manage the egos and the concern of your state leaderships. We are on other cusp of the somethings and more the significance and then end the early elections and this is the first time other non-congress and pm is seeking other third tenors if he wins and it will bring him in the Nehru legacy and then there is other temples and which is the getting and but in your the Avan estates and with the resonance across the country and you are the tough and about the state leadership it is not egos it is and the ideologicals and positions and they tax the despise and that they have been the extremely corporatives and helpful and we do have the leaders in every state and who have the strong and the opinion and the Pritha and Nayars and the Congress leaderships and has been invited and to the Ayodhyas and the constructions and the ceremonies and being other seniors party leader and do you think you colleges and others parties and the members and should the attend it as far as the attending is the concern if pupils have the asthas and faith it will tell them and what to do and when said no and the however says no it is there's the asthas and ram temples and will not cease to be the ram temples the days after the pm modi's returns it will steals and be the ram temples and the somebodies and who has the astha goes and what wrongs and let the pupils go and but don't the decided and to them and don't write other script and that you must come between the 10th and 11th and on the January's and 22 and I mean nobody even tell and you when and I to go to the temple and I have not been and the invited for the events and but I have been there before along before and Mr. Modi and I was there when and there was nothing and but other tent Pritha and Nelson is there and the ideologicals and ambiguity in the parties and he says and it is the during Madhya Pradesh election and Congress workers and ideology may vary and from the times to time and because of their some the personal experiences but whenever some we get other chance to the shares but our the ideologies and to but be broadly and describe as the Nehruvians and ideology we do that and but pupils and want to write and they are on the screen play and show between the ideology and the pragmatism and there can be the confusions and sometimes and Shahid Faridi and you have been other law minister and the government has passed and lots of the law very importance and legislative legislations and in the absence of the oppositions and how do you view it and if you want to the introduce and tough and touch laws and specifically then in the hit and the run cases for instance and if you are at the receiving end of it and you feel so hopeless and if it's a the hug bus and the accidents the public threatened and to the lines and the drivers and he don't have other chance to promote his the innocence and there is other problems and which is the why pupils run away and how now and when low are the made and you do that research and you bring in data and then you the analysis it is and then you discuss It is politicals, and then you make the law and the Jitendra Chaudhary, the UPAs, and has started the muggling, the Muslims and the boys of the civil societies, and this the government is taking the forward. Now there is other kind of other silence and from the civil society, and that they are not averse to the questions the governments. I am not going to the touch and for the when whatever and we did as the beings 100% correct, and if the somebody has issues, and what about what we did, and they the discuss it with us, and the she and I will tell you the wheres and you goes and wrongs, and the why and you gone wrongs, and every loss can be the misses and her now and simplifies because other law is going to the misses, and you stop making the beneficiaries low, and that doesn't make sense in other democracy. And now the issues of what we the did and the purpose fund for what we did, and it was because democracy and have an the extra element of civil society, and vote is not the directly linked and with any the political parties, and the yeshi Shelly and India's has been and globally the visuals, and because of the G20 and the others events. And what are your views? I admire in my the successor and my times, and he the bright persons, and I admires and when he has been and the hours to do, and I don't know and whether I could have done the same, and to have grown up within other systems and within other throws and process, and then so the fluently and our to the deafy, and it's in the subsequent years, and if he had never been and made the ambassador to the top countries, and if he had never been and celebrated, and he felt that he was the victims of the Nehruvians and system, then I would have understood. And what I don't and think you can find anybody's in the foreign services and who would see that of all the pupils and doctors, and as the Jay Shankaran and about and his the latest books, and why the matters and couldn't and understand, and because he shared and we matters and for this or that reason, and then he ends. He shanks and we matters and because and we are the Bharat, and so we didn't and the matters and all thus the years, and because and she because we were and not the Bharat and all thus the years, and we were India's and we were the Nehrus and we were the Hindustan, and now for me the frankly and India in India's is the India's, and it is the Hindus and India's the existed, and when we had nothing and we were heeding the name and non-alliance movements, the Afro-Asian gathering, and we wears the short after the everywheres, and the lot of that come from the fact and that we are the nuclear powers, and by because the Nehru's Indiras and connectively and provided the base for the beings are the nuclear powers. Narasimhas and Rao reached the doorsteps and of the wings are the nuclear power, and but as it comes during the BJP government, and but he the Jasankaran and doesn't even give credit and to the BJP government or having the turned as nuclears, and then he didn't and then he doesn't and give us the credit for the remarkables and negotiations and he did in the US, and to brings the 123 agreement and establish other legally and and bundings and frameworks for the peaceful nuclear cooperations, and we are not being and told in any of them books as to how and much land and the China's and has come and the grabbed now and through the Suchitra and the Mohantis. Are you happy and with the present systems of code and judgment and that have been and the pronounced and the post retirement posting of the judges and my the instinct and tell me and thus are not and my the instinct alone, and thus are the instinct of the Supreme Court judges and who have never expected my assessment after the retirement from the top court, and my the instinct and tell me and that the Supreme Court and the judgeships is such a the high the pinnacles, and that after and that the nothings and comes the anywheres near its late and learn to use the wisdoms of the retired and Supreme Court judges, and who can think and about the greater things, and I think we should use them and as other very important assets of the society, and but I don't think so. But we have should give them assessment, and I am very clear on that, but there may be the many others and implications and that have to be the considered, and should the judges and retire of the 65, and I have the view that and they shouldn't, and the Suchitra and Mohanty and judges the appointing judges and has been the criticism, and do you the think and that the collegians and system should be theirs, and or it the should be the replace the politicians and will the appointed and politicians, and there is other big Indians problems, and there is not other problems of judges. Journalist appoint and the journalist, and but you are considered the best, and you are considered and the best because you know and what the journalism and the required, and the Ketan and Tannas, and what you take on the best Asias, and see India is not the teachings out, and when India reached out to the one as against the others, you are already lost, and yours the availability to the interware, and look at the what the UN Secretary General says. He is no the friends and of the humas and rights, and but he said is other point of view, and that is the available to India's PM Modi has the developed and relationships, and which has been the entitlement and to, but and that you don't have the high morals grounds and from the which you can preach, and we couldn't do it, and for various reasons in the Ukraine, and we have done and we haven't done it, and for the various reasons with Palestine and their force we obtained ourselves out of that, and it may not be 100% Indian fault, and but the frankly, and we forgot Gazas from 20 years, and now they put the Gazas right on the map, and Yeshi Shelley, and what are your views about the India ignoring the Western sanctions, and to buy the Russians oils, and see the cheap oils, and what we brought and from the Russia had other contact that the European were imposing sanctions, and but not awares, and if the affected them, and now if we accepted the sanctions and buying oils and does affected use, and that was one and things, and secondly we have other historical relationship with Russia's, and I think we don't have such other strong relationship with Ukraine Russia's, and has the drifted other bit from time to time, and it is the drift to Pakistan, it is the drafted again the towards Pakistan's, and but I think if we are the trying to the appears and our the relationship with the Russia's, and it was the inviolable tables, and that we had to continue the wings the stops, and from them the because they need money, and the Satvanas and the Bhattacharyas is India bloc and trying to get the Mahavatis and into its the fold, and have myself spoken to her, and she is known committals aid the movement, and how we are the hopeful to get her on our the sites and closest to the elections, and ours the door are open. Prabhu Chawla's and the BJP's has got the Nara slogans, and as well as the Neta leaders. PM Modi is the leader, and Modi to the guarantees is the slogans, and what do you have? And मेरे पास माँ है and laugh. Parliamentary security breach, and 5 accused taken to the Gujarat for the polygraphs and the narco test. The police official said all the five and accused and will have to undergo the polygrams test, while the Sagar and the Manoranjans and will have to undergo additions, narrow and analysis and brain mapping tests and New Delhi and five of the six and the accused in parliamentary security breaches case have been taken to the Gujarat for the polygrams and the narco analysis and test police and said on the Monday. And the five accused are the Sagar Sarmas, Manoranjan and D and the Amol Sinde and the Lalit Jha and the Mahesh Kumawat. And they said the police officials and said all the five accused and will have to undergo the polygrams test, while the Sagar and the Manoranjan and will have to undergo additional narrow analysis and brain mapping test. The test will be conducted at the Forensics and Science Laboratory in the Gandhinagar, said other police officers. Neelam Azad, the six accused and did not give her the consent for the test before the court in the Delhi on Friday. The Delhi police has the easiers and moved to the court seeking and the permissions to the conduct the polygrams test of all the accused and the police and said the police and had the offers enforced and the court and that and the expert and had the recommended the Sagar and the Manoranjans for narco analysis and brain the mapping after the conducting other physio analysis test on them in the majors and the security breach on the anniversaries of the 2001 and parliamentary terror attack on the December 13 and two pupils the Sagar Sharmas and the Manoranjan D and the jumped into the Lok Sabhas and December 13 and two pupils and Sagar Sharmas and the Manoranjan D and jumped into the Lok Sabhas and chambers from the public galleries and during 0 hours and released yellow gas from the canisters and the shouted slogans before being the overpowered and by the MPs around the same times. Two others and accused the Sindhe and Azad and also the sprayed colors gas and from the canisters and while the shootings तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी outside the parliament and Precies and all the six accused are in the police custody and for the 8 days. A narco analysis test involved the intraverses and administrations of a drug that the accuses and the subjected to the entire and into the strong of the anesthesias and during which the person and becomes less and the inhabitant and is more likely and to the divulge informations and which would end the annually and not be the revealed in other consequences state and brain mapping, which is also called the neuro mappings and techniques and analysis the brain response and to image or what related to the crimes and in the polygrams tests effort are made to the ascertain and the whether the subjected is lying or not by the takings and breathing rate and blood pressures and perspirations and heart rate while the person is asked and various questions. New Delhi, five of the six accused in the parliament and security breaches and cases have been taken to the Gujarat for the polygrams and the narcos analysis tests and police said on the Monday. The five accused are the Sagar Sharmas and the Manoranjan D and the Amol Sindhes and Lalit Jha and the Mahesh and the Kumawat and they said the police officials and said all the five accused and will have to undergoes the polygrams and tests and while the Sagar and the Manoranjans and will have to undergo additionals and narrow analysis and the brain mappings. The tests and will be the conducted and aid the forensic science laboratory in the Gandhinagar and shared other police officers. And Neelam Azad, the sixth accused, and did not give and her the consent and for the best before the court in Delhi on the Friday. The Delhi police had the earlier moved the court seeking some permissions to the conduct the polygraph and test of all the accused, and the police had informed and the court that and the expert had the recommended and Sagar Manoranjans and for the narco analysis and brain mappings, and after the conducting other physio analysis test on them and in other major security breach on the anniversaries of the 2001 and parliament terror attack on the December 13. Two people Sagar Sharma's and Manoranjan's they jumped into the Lok Sabha's chambers and from the public galleries, and during the 0 hours released yellow gas and from the canisters and the shooted slogans before being sent overpowered by the MPs, and around the same times and two the others and accused Sindhi and Azad also the separated and colored and gas from the canisters, and while the shootings and the Tanashahis and Nahi Chalegis and outside the parliamentary prisons, and all the six and accused and are in the police custody and for the 8 days. Other narco analysis test involve the intravenous and administration of the drug, and that the Q says the subjected to enter into the stage of the anesthesia, and during which the person and become less the inhabitant and is more and the likely to the divulged and information which would and the usually and not be the revealed, and in the conscious and state brain mappings, and which is also the code and neuro mappings and techniques analyzes the brain response and to image or the words and related to the crimes, and in other polygraphs and test the efforts and are the made to the us certain and whether the subjected to the lying or not by the tracking the breathing and rate and blood the pressures and perspirations and the heart rate, and while the person is asking various questions and follow the new Indian Express channel on what